Hypospadias will occur. Two standing urethra operate of the posterior urethral part of the CAU, the use of the curvature membrane rather suitably for the urethral autologous cultivation can effectively prevent the regeneration of blood vessels around the new urethra, reduce the incidence of the urethral skin fistula, urethral stenosis, and penile curvature caused by insufficient blood supply, improve the care rate of the hepatitis repair. It may be considered in clinical applications. This is my city, China, Foshan. Very good. Welcome to China, welcome to Foshan. Thank you.
If you have any questions to ask, you may.
Probably one. So what's the resting period between first surgery and second surgery?
First and the second.
Yeah, so rest.
60 months.
6 months.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank our speaker again.